My name is Angel Cruz, aka Super Lobo, and this is my Datsun story. My first introduction to the Z car was with the PlayStation 1 game Need for Speed. Back in the day, the idea of owning a 350Z was beyond my comprehension, growing up in a low-income household. Once I finished college and got my nursing degree, I was determined to own a 350Z, even with the 370Z well established in the market. Once I got a 350Z, I started looking at the history of the Z car. A Datsun showed up in the search results. A Datsun? Never heard of it. Growing up, I was surrounded by all American vehicles, Ford and Chevy. Searching on Craigslist, I found one, a 1973 240Z in decent shape, listed for $9,000. It was located in Prescott, Arizona, owned by an older gentleman with one too many projects. I love the idea of restoring something old and forgotten and bringing it back to its former glory. I love the vintage nature of the Datsun. It has such personality and culture. Unique in design, a rarity in my area. My passion led to an obsession. The 1970 vintage seats with little to no restoration done. I'm surprised I made the 2-hour drive home. I had lots of work to do. This was just the beginning.